He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of explosive energy, rhythmic precision, and unmistakable stage charisma, J-Hope didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a foundation in street dance into one of the most dynamic performance styles in modern pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 18, 1994, in Gwangju, South Korea, J-Hope's journey began far from the polished training systems of Seoul. Dance was his earliest language. He grew up training in local dance crews, developing sharp technique, musical awareness, and a natural confidence on stage. Encouraged by his passion and early recognition, he pursued opportunities that would eventually lead him into the K-pop industry, stepping into a path defined by discipline and transformation. Years of structured training followed. Under Big Hit Entertainment, he expanded beyond dance, refining his rap delivery, stage control, and overall performance ability while adapting to the intense standards of idol training. His progression was not instant but built through consistency, focus, and relentless effort. In 2013, he officially debuted as a rapper and main dancer of BTS. The group's early rise quickly positioned them as a global force, and J-Hope's high-energy presence became one of the defining elements of their performances. His style, powerful yet controlled, energetic yet precise, stood out across both aggressive choreography and rhythm-driven stages. As BTS expanded into international markets, performing at major festivals and dominating global charts, J-Hope emerged as a key figure in delivering performance intensity and stage impact on a worldwide scale. His solo chapter marked a significant milestone. In 2018, he released his mixtape Hope World, which achieved strong international success and showcased his individuality as an artist. The project blended vibrant sounds with introspective themes, revealing both his optimism and creative depth. Later, with projects like Jack in the Box, he explored darker and more experimental concepts, demonstrating artistic evolution beyond a single image. By 2026, J-Hope is regarded as a versatile global performer. Industry professionals recognize his consistency and stage command. Audiences connect with his energy and authenticity, and fashion houses view him as a bold and influential style figure. His career reflects strategic growth, balancing group success with individual artistic expansion. Offstage, his lifestyle combines discipline with creative freedom. He maintains structured routines that support physical conditioning, performance readiness, and musical development. Whether through rehearsals, studio work, or conceptual planning, creativity remains central to his daily life. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic identity. Known for bold styling, vibrant color palettes, and confident experimentation, J-Hope frequently appears at international fashion events and represents global luxury brands. His style feels expressive rather than restrained, allowing him to stand out across both music and fashion industries. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently focuses attention on his work and artistic progression. Within the industry, he is described as disciplined, energetic, and deeply committed to performance excellence. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, endorsements, and long-term brand partnerships. Beyond financial success, he has secured international recognition and sustained influence within the global expansion of K-pop. What many find compelling is his energy-driven authenticity. He brings intensity and positivity into performance, creating a connection that feels immediate and genuine. This presence defines his artistic signature. J-Hope's journey is marked by evolution rather than limitation. From a street dancer in Gwangju to a global performance icon, his rise reflects discipline, adaptability, and creative ambition. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, dynamic, expressive, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare combination of youthful charm, steady determination, and a vocal tone that continued to mature with every passing year, I.N didn't simply debut as the youngest member of Stray Kids. He built an identity of his own, transforming raw potential into one of the most promising careers in modern K-pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 8, 2001, in Busan, South Korea, I.N's journey began far from the massive concert arenas and global stages he would eventually conquer. Born as Yang Jong-in, he grew up in a supportive environment where he developed an early interest in music and performance. His natural curiosity, positive attitude, and willingness to work hard would eventually guide him toward the entertainment industry. As a teenager, he joined JYP Entertainment and entered one of the most demanding trainee systems in South Korea. The experience challenged him physically, mentally, and artistically. During these formative years, he focused on strengthening his vocal abilities, improving his stage presence, and adapting to the highly competitive world of K-pop. A major turning point arrived in 2017 when he participated in the survival program Stray Kids. Despite being among the youngest contestants, he demonstrated resilience and determination throughout the competition. His growth impressed both audiences and mentors, ultimately earning him a place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as the youngest member of Stray Kids. His voice quickly became an essential component of the group's evolving sound. Bright, expressive, and increasingly refined, his vocals added emotional balance to Stray Kids' energetic performances. As the group achieved international success through chart-topping albums, sold-out tours, and record-breaking achievements, I.N continued to mature as both a vocalist and performer. Over the years, his artistic development became one of the most noticeable within the group. Fans witnessed a remarkable transformation from a shy teenager into a confident entertainer capable of commanding major stages around the world. His consistent improvement highlighted a work ethic built on patience, discipline, and self-belief. By 2026, I.N is regarded as far more than simply the youngest member of Stray Kids. Industry observers recognize his vocal growth and stage confidence, while fans admire his sincerity and positive energy. His career reflects continuous evolution, proving that long-term dedication often creates the strongest foundation for success. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance and personal growth. He maintains a disciplined schedule that supports both physical health and artistic development. Whether practicing vocals, preparing for performances, or spending time with fellow members, he approaches his responsibilities with professionalism and maturity. His fashion presence has also gained significant attention. Known for his polished appearance and sophisticated style, I.N frequently showcases a blend of modern trends and classic elegance. His evolving image mirrors his personal journey, youthful yet increasingly refined with each passing year. While public interest often extends to his private life, he remains thoughtful about maintaining boundaries. Rather than focusing on unnecessary attention, he consistently places emphasis on personal improvement, music, and meaningful connections with fans. Those who work alongside him often describe him as respectful, hardworking, and genuinely appreciative of the opportunities he has received. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various entertainment projects. Beyond financial achievements, he has earned something equally valuable: credibility as an artist who continues to grow with every new chapter of his career. What many find most inspiring about I.N is his visible transformation. Fans have witnessed every stage of his development, from trainee to international performer. His journey serves as a reminder that growth is often built through consistency rather than instant success. I.N's story is defined by progress rather than shortcuts. From a young boy in Busan to a globally recognized K-pop star, his rise reflects perseverance, humility, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of growth, resilience, and the power of believing in one's potential. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.